Welcome back to Where's the Money Wednesdays. Ohio has a powerful engine quietly fueling small business expansion. ECDI's CDFI loan participation programs is one of the most flexible capital tools in the states today. This isn't a handout, it's a mission-driven capital. You can borrow up to $1 million at prime minus 0.25% interest over 10 years and use it for building, renovations, equipment, working capital, even land acquisition. But there is a catch. You've got to qualify. Your operation must be in Ohio, fewer than 250 employees, under 20 million in revenue, and your project needs to help create and retain jobs. Nonprofits, faith institutions, speculative real estate ventures, and some others may be excluded. But if you fit the profile, this could be a cornerstone for a church expansion, youth center, cafe space, or a community gathering hub with a socially minded lender backing you. You carry both legitimacy and momentum. Just a few pro tips to leave you with to help you fit the profile. One is make sure your financials are solid because they're going to be looking at that, and understanding how many jobs the project will create because that makes you a little bit more appealing. But I'll go more into detail on the Substack if you want to go over there and check it out, and we could talk more there. See ya.